everyone, welcome back. Welcome to 2019. It's hard to believe it's 2019, but it is New Year's Day. We've been working around about today, still working on the fence, which we may eventually get it done. We may not, who knows. But putting out a roll of hay for the horse right now. Ground is mud. It's actually been pretty nice today. No rain. Well, it rained this morning. I forgot about that. It did rain this morning. Rained this morning. Temperature's been very warm today, very pretty. Calling for rain starting back tomorrow, next 3 days. And then I think they're calling for 3 or 4 days of dry weather, which we want. But anyhow, I've been kind of moving slow the last couple of days. Long story, and I'll put a picture at the end of this video. Levi got a new aluminum baseball bat for Christmas. And day after Christmas, he wanted to try it out. Well, he wound up, total accident, but he wound up hitting me right in the side of the head. And you can still see a little bit of a spot there. But he rung my bell real good. So, I don't know whether it's that, or I'm just getting old, or lazy, or whatever. Didn't stay up and party last night. I did set up to midnight, but not really wanting to watch 2019 come in, but kind of wanting to watch 2018 go away. But I don't know whether it's that, or this old head cold or whatever, but I've been kind of moving slow today, which... it's a holiday, right? No such thing as a holiday on a farm, but anyhow, let me get this roll of hay put out here, and I will get right back to you guys. So hold on just a second. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Even though 2018 was very wet and very difficult, and I left some second cutting hay in the field. What we did get up first cutting was really good hay. You can see, well, you can see what I'm talking about. It, smells sweet. It's got a good smell to it. Good hay. Good tight roll. But you can see right there. That's first cutting. So what we did get up was good hay. Good quality hay. And I should have enough to do me this year, even with the addition of the cows. So, which is a good thing. I don't like running out of hay. I guess nobody does. But I just don't like running short on feed. I like to keep the critters well fed and happy. So, but anyhow, welcome 2019. We're going to try to keep making the videos. Like I've stated before, I'm not a professional YouTuber or videographer or photographer. Good Lord. Or any of that. I'm just a farmer, and you know, the videos you get from me are just going to be about what we do on a daily basis. But hopefully it'll dry up I mean, it's the first day of 2019, but about 115 days from now, we'll need to be planting. So, middle of April, we'll need to start planting corn, whatever. So we got a lot of stuff to do between now and then. Get ground ready, fertilize down, all that good stuff. So we got a lot to do. We'll try to remember to take the camera along and get as much of it as we can on film. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we put up a video. By all means, please comment on video, ask a question, whatever. And like I said, I'll put a picture of my head. If you ever want to know what aluminum baseball bat will do to your skull, we'll show you a picture up at the end of this. So until next time, take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you guys later. Happy New Year.